Hello friend, welcome to Yasir Altaf YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Midland motorcycle accident lawyer. So let's start it. सो गैस आ चुके हैं हम अपनी स्क्रीन पे मिडलैंड मोटरसाइकिल एक्सीडेंट लॉयर. The importance of a Midland motorcycle accident lawyer. Motorcycle accident can be devastating, leaving victims with altering injuries, emotional trauma, and a mountain of medical bills in the aftermath of such an accident. It's crucial to have a knowledgeable and experienced Midland motorcycle accident attorney on your side. The early law firm, with its dedicated team of lawyers, is here to help you navigate to complex legal system and ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. The unique challenges of motorcycle accident. A motorcycle accident represents a unique set of challenges compared to other vehicular accidents. For one, motorcyclists are more vulnerable on the road due to their lack of protection. In fact, did you know that motorcyclists are 27 times or more likely to die in an accident than those in a car? This makes the need of legal representation even more critical in this case. Additionally, there's often the stigma surrounding motorcyclists, with many people unfairly labeling them as reckless or careless. Their bias can seep into the legal process, making it more difficult for injured motorcyclists to receive fair compensation. A skilled motorcycle accident attorney in Midland will work tirelessly to debunk these stereotypes and ensure their salient rights are protected. Establishing liability in a motorcycle accident. One of the most critical aspects of any personal injury case, including motorcycle accident, in establishing liability. In other words, determining who was at fault for the accident. This can be a complex process, often involving a thorough investigation of the accident scene, reviewing a police report, and consulting with expert in accident reconstruction. A Midland motorcycle accident lawyer will have a necessary experience and resources to establish liability in your case. They'll work to gather evidence, interview witness, and build a strong case on your behalf. This is crucial as the outcome of your case and the amount of compensation you receive will largely depend on your proving the other party is negligence. Calculating damage in a motorcycle accident cases. Once liability has been established, the next step is determine the damage you're entitled to as the result of the accident, to and include medical expenses, lost Vegas, pain and suffering, and more. It's important to remember that the goal of a personal injury case to make the victim's goal again is essentially to put them the position will have the been and had accident never occurred. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.